vlogging can seem very daunting and very nerve-wracking at first if you're a beginner, if you've never done it before. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started in vlogging in public and how to build that confidence. But for various reasons, you want to do it alone. It may be simply because of the fact that you're more flexible with your time. Whatever reason you may have that you want to do it alone, going out by yourself and having a big ass camera in front of your face, everyone is obviously going to stare at you. It can feel quite nerve-wracking, but trust me and believe me when I say you are not alone in feeling that way. I still feel that way all the time, but you can't let that discourage you from filming. At this point, you're probably thinking, Tony, you're meant to be teaching us how to vlog in public. What are you doing out in alleyways and the most quiet streets in London? That's the first tip I'm going to give you. You have to start off slow. Find little quiet places like this and start off slowly. So trust me, you don't want to throw yourself in a very busy environment because you will get very anxious. And in turn, you're going to end up hating the whole process, and you don't want that. You want to enjoy the process because this is what you love to do. This is what you want to do for a living, for a hobby, whatever it might be, but you want to enjoy the process. Another tip I want to give you guys, which I find very helpful, especially starting out, is have a wireless mic. Other than having the mics you mount onto the camera. And that's what I mean, guys. If you've got a wireless mic, you can literally just whisper. You can be indoors in a restaurant and you get the sound quality that you want without having to raise your voice using an external mic. So trust me, invest in one of these. And one of the major things you're going to find yourself doing is stuttering. And you're going to stutter some more until you can't stop stuttering. But that's okay. You get the take you want to take, but don't get frustrated. Don't try to perfect it. Just do the best that you can do. Because trust me, I've taken take after take of me saying the same exact line. So trust me, don't let that deter you or frustrate you. It's not because of you. Don't lose any confidence over it. It happens to the best of us, trust me. Unless you're naturally well-spoken. But it does happen to nearly every single YouTuber. You just have to keep taking the takes until you get the one that you want. Really just gotta think of it in this way. If it were easy, trust me, everyone would be doing it. It's 100% not easy. You just gotta have to try and have fun with it. That's all it is. Don't take it too serious. But it's definitely not easy. But also don't be too hard on yourself. Some of the worries some of you might have might simply be things such as, what if someone comes and snatches my cameras, steals it? So the times you've seen me go into quiet areas like this, and I'm happy and I feel confident leaving my camera as far away as I can be from it, and I know no one's gonna come and take it. I go to tourist places where I know there's a lot of security, so no one's gonna come and try and steal my equipment. So I do try and stay away from shady areas for that simple reason. So just follow your intuition, use common sense. But other than that, no one's out here to steal your equipment. Just go out and enjoy yourself. There you have it, guys. Those are my tips for you, and hopefully I hope this encourages you, helps you just to get out there. Just don't be scared, don't be nervous. You are going to be nervous starting off, but it is going to build your confidence. If you do get started, please leave a comment. I want to check out your work. And if you get any tips for others, anything I may have missed out, just leave a comment below. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, do give it a like, a comment, and I'll see you all in the next video.